Welcome to the video tutorial of eZee BurrP, a desktop-based restaurant management software. In this video, we will learn how to create an indent. Indent is a document, stating the requirements of goods with respective quantity to the main store or the other, along with its specification. It is sent to the store department, which in turn procures the items, and dispatches the same to the requested department. Indent is basically raised by requester stores, asking for goods when needed, from the main store. A privileged employee can raise indents, requesting for items that may be required by the store. After an indent is raised, the indent is sent to the authorise approval and accordingly, goods will be issued. Let us see the stock of our items before it gets transferred from main store. Go to eZee BurrP Backoffice. Select the store from where the request is to be initiated. On the left-hand side select the store. Inventory transaction. Physical stock taking. Here, we can see that right now the stock is 3 and 1 for Absolute Vodka and Action respectively. Now let us generate indent for these two items. To generate an indent, go to eZee BurrP Backoffice. Select the store from where the request is to be initiated. On the left-hand side select the store. Transaction. Indent. The indent wizard will open. Select the store from which the items will be requested. Add the item. Quantity. Unit. Click on plus icon to add the item in the list. Add all the items one by one. Click on Save and Print, if indent needs to be printed, or click on Save, if print is not required and it will be saved. Once the indent is saved, it will be added to the indents list and will be displayed under the forward indent list with the status as incomplete. Go to the store from where items need to be received. Transaction. Received indent list. Under received indent list all the indents will be displayed, which needs to be issued from this particular store. Select the indent from the list, and authorize the requested quantity. If it needs to be authorized by a user, click on User Authorization and authorize the same. Only privileged users will be allowed to authorize it, as not all the store staff is privileged for this operation. To give authorization access to the particular users, go to 3-bullet icon on the right-hand side. Option. Others. Indent. Check mark on indent, display rate and amount, and click on User Settings for Authorize Indent. Select the users from the list. Add number of users to authorize indent. Save. Save. After authorizing the indent, click on Issue. The store needs to select the quantity and rate according to the stock they have, as per which status of the indent will be updated. Click on Issue. An issue voucher screen will open. Check the issue voucher generated, and then click on Save and Print to print the voucher or click on Save. Thus the indent will be issued. After issuing the indent, the stock will reduce from this store, and computer stock of those items will be updated in the store, from where the indent was requested. Let us check again the physical stock of these items in the store from where the indent was requested. Here, we can see the physical stock of these items are updated as per the indent. The user can get details of the inventory transaction, under Item Stock Ledger Report. To get the same go to Report View, under Inventory Report select Item Stock Ledger, and click on Report. Thus, the user can get the inventory transaction details performed on the particular date selected. This is how users can initiate the indent and process it. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries or feedback, Kindly contact our 24/7 live chat support.